Is there an Amazon FBA training course? Yes, there are many Amazon FBA training courses available for individuals who want to learn how to start and grow their business on Amazon. These courses are designed for beginners and advanced sellers alike, covering everything from account setup and product research to listing optimization and advertising. Some programs are offered online, while others are available in person through e commerce academies and business institutes. The training helps you understand the step by step process of selling on Amazon FBA, including how to source products, ship inventory to Amazon warehouses, and manage your operations efficiently. Many courses also include hands on exercises, live mentoring, and practical assignments to ensure that learners gain real world experience in building their FBA store. Most successful sellers combine these FBA training courses with tools like Helium 10 to maximize their performance. Helium 10 provides essential analytics, keyword research, and product tracking capabilities that help you apply what you learn in your course. Together, Training and Helium 10 create a complete learning and execution system for long-term Amazon success. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to scale your Amazon FBA business like a pro.